If you get a briefcase in the mail, it could be part of a very expensive nationwide scam. The Kincaid Police Department posted on their Facebook page saying a person in town got one. They said they were told it had $500,000 inside, but they had to pay $40,000 for the combination. That person didn't pay, but the police say FedEx did confirm someone did pay $47,000 for it. Nothing was inside when it was opened.